Good morning. Welcome to our new session, term 2 of this academic year. Let us start in this term, the first chapter, the alien planet, the green movement's role. I hope you can understand the title, what is green movement? It is related to plantation, green movement. But here the new word you can see is alien. What does it actually mean? Alien means sick. Here, our planet is called sick planet. Why? The question here is why? Just because, as you know, the inhuman activity, the humans are making pollution. Humans are doing that thing which is not good for Earth. And that's why today you can see the Earth place. You can see the situation, you can see the condition of the Earth. What actually Earth is suffering from, that you already know, because we are having a biggest title, global warming, the biggest problem of the world. Is the main problem of our Earth. Actually, the global warming that is created by only and only humans. Humans have made all the thing is totally ruined. जो हम कह सकते हैं अर्थ पे जितनी सारी चीजें, इवन द अर्थ इटसेल्फ, जो अर्थ है वो पूरा रुइन कर दिया है. किसने? Humans. So related to this condition, here we are having the green movement's role. Actually, still we are having time. If we want to save our earth, we are having time. We can also start this movement. Each and every day, if one single person can plant one single tree, so we can save our earth and we can turn our earth into green color. Green color means we can increase our plantation. So this is called green movement. What is actually green movement and what is actually the alien planet? हमारे planet को ये chapter में बीमार बताया गया है. For that, what the person has to do, क्या करना चाहिए हमें? The exact history also we have given, and what we will have to do in future, that also given in this chapter. So first of all, let us start with the introduction. The alien planet, the green movement's role, written by Nani Palkhiwala. Don't forget the name of the author, Nani Palkhiwala. So on the very first page of this chapter, you have given introduction. The following article was written by Nani Palkhiwala and published in the Indian Express. Underline the word, the Indian Express. It is the name of the newspaper. So this article published in Indian Express on the 24th November 1994. The issues that he raised regarding the declining health of the earth continue to have relevance. In this article, the main topic is the declining health of the earth. अर्थ की तबीयत और बिगड़ती जा रही है. We can see the bad condition of the earth that is totally decreasing day by day. So for that, what should we do for the earth? Okay, so that here we have given in this chapter. In history, the person has done something, but now what we will have to do, that also given in this chapter. Let us start the chapter. One cannot recall any moment in the world history which has gripped. Here gripped means powerful effect. First meaning gripped. Powerful effect. This is called gripped. The imagination of the entire human race so completely and so rapidly as the Green Movement, which started nearly 25 years ago. In 1972, the world's first nationwide Green Party was founded in New Zealand. Since then, the movement has not looked back. See, in New Zealand in 1972, before 1972, उससे पहले के before 25 years ago, this movement has been started in New Zealand. The world nationwide Green Party was founded in New Zealand. Underline this line that might be can come into MCQs. So this movement has been started before 25 years of 1972. Okay, we have shifted one hopes. Yes, obviously we are having hope that our earth will get good health. So we can only wish that get well soon. But irrevocably. So irrevocably means unalternate from the mechanistic view to a holistic and ecological view of the world. See, the people only want their needs. So for their needs, they totally ruined the earth. We can get everything from the earth. But for our selfishness, we have declined or we have decreased the health of the earth. It is a shift in a human perceptions. Here perception means the thing, idea based on understanding. We will have to understand. As revolutionary. Revolutionary means something new that we will start. Complete change. As that, here the word you will have to write is a holistic. That is a new word for you. Holistic means a whole thing. Which whole thing we will have to change? The thing here we are talking about the ailing planet, and revolutionary means complete change. Complete change. As, turn the page, that introduced by Copernicus. Revolutionary means complete change. What change we have to see over here for saving our planet? So that change has given by the person Copernicus. Character here who fought mankind in the 16th century. Who has given something in the 16th century? Right now it is 21st century. So in 16th century he has given some concept to save our earth. Which concept? Century that the earth and the other planets revolved around the sun. Actually what we have thought means he has thought and he has given that idea to the people that our earth is revolved around the sun. Actually he has told us that the earth and the other planet revolve around the सन कि जो हमारा अर्थ है उसके आसपास सारे प्लैनेट घूम रहे हैं. Our earth is the center. Okay. And for the first time in the human history there is a growing worldwide consciousness that the earth itself is a living organism, an enormous being of which we are parts. It has its own metabolic needs and vital processes which need to be respected and preserved. See, what thing I am going to tell you in that century, 16th century, what people are thinking that our earth is in the center and whole planets and sun are revolving around our earth. But actually our earth is revolving around the sun. Sun is in the center. Actually में sun center में और planet जो सारे हैं वो सब sun के आसपास घूम रहे हैं. So that's why people are getting angry on Copernicus. How can you tell this thing? और उस टाइम पे उसको काफी सजा भी मिली थी Copernicus को. Might be someone has given him a sentence to death. उसको मार दिया गया था उस टाइम पे just because of this concept. So there is a growing worldwide consciousness. उस टाइम पे awareness उसने लाई थी लोगों में that the earth itself is a living organism. Obviously, earth itself is a living organism. Copernicus has told this thing to the people. an enormous being of which we are parts, and obviously we are also a part of that thing. It has its own metabolic. Metabolic means capable of change. Metabolic. Capable of change. So, metabolic needs vital processes related to life which need to be respected and preserved. Obviously, we will have to respect and we will have to preserve that life. Life is very important. Our earth is very important because without it, we are nothing. If earth is not there, we will not be there. We will no more. Okay. So, the earth's vital signs reveal a patient in declining health. Obviously, the declining health is just because of the humans. The earth's vital signs reveal a patient in declining health. We have begun to realize our ethical means relating to moral obligations to be good stewards. Yes, steward means caretaker. Steward means caretaker. So, of the planet and responsible trustees of the legacy to future generation. Obviously, Copernicus has believed that we will have to save our earth other than what can we give to our next generation. If we are winning the earth's life, then we cannot give anything to our next generation. So, we will have to save our future generation. That's why he has given this concept green movement. The concept of sustainable development. Sustain. We will have to sustain our life on the earth, then definitely we will have to develop something. Sustainable development means development continued for a long time, was popularized in 1987 by the World Commission on Environment and Development. In its report, it defined the idea as, in this report he has given the idea. Which idea? Here you have given in the double inverted comma. Development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their needs. We can get everything. Yes, we will have to take everything from the earth, but we will have to think about future generation also. We cannot take everything from the earth. If we are winning all the things on the earth right now, then what will be there for the future generation? So for the future generation, we also will have to think about their needs also. If we are needing something, so we will have to take only that thing what we need. In that quantity we will have to take. We don't have to ruin everything on the earth, because we will have to think about future generation also. For example, without stripping the natural world of resources future generation would need. Obviously, the future generation also needs something. So for that, we will have to think about them. हमें उनके बारे में सोचना है. So we can get only that thing, or we would have to take only that thing in quantity what we need. We will have to respect and we will have to preserve the earth as well. In the zoo at Lusaka, Zambia, there is a cage where the notice reads. In one of the zoo in South Africa, the place here you have given Lusaka, Zambia, where in zoo one of the notice board is there. On that board, one beautiful notice has been written, and it is here the world's most dangerous animal. On that notice board, this title has been written: the world's most dangerous animal. Which one is the dangerous animal? Look at here. Inside the cage, ये notice थी cage के बाहर. जैसे ही आप cage में देखोगे, what can you see? Inside the cage there is no animal, but a mirror. So who will be the dangerous animal? You can see yourself in the mirror, and that's why the title, this is the world's dangerous animal. And where you can see yourself, thanks to the effort of a number of agencies in different countries, a new awareness has now dawned upon the most dangerous animal in the world. Obviously, at that time he has given this concept that Earth's place or condition is right now, whatever it is just because of these dangerous animals. So that awareness he has given to the person. उस टाइम पे पर्सन को, ह्यूमंस को समझाया गया कि सबसे डेंजरस एनिमल यही है अर्थ पे. एंड he has realized the wisdom of shifting from a system based on domination means control, to one based on partnership. Obviously, on that time the people can think that we are the only person that became world's dangerous animal and we have declined the health of the earth. हम ही हैं जिसने अर्थ की ये जो सिचुएशन है वो क्रिएट की है. So till here you just read the chapter. It is very good chapter. We will learn something new from this chapter. Okay, green movement, it shows that we will have to increase the plantation. Just because of plantation we can save our earth. We can give something to our next generation. Okay, we can save something for the next generation. So please read this chapter. Whatever the queries you are having, that we will solve in the live session. Thank you.